Now, of course, you can see right here that the implications of GPT are incredible because GPT-4 is far superior and far smarter than that of GPT-3. And of course, with the vision, it just makes it that much smarter. Now, of course, with it being that much smarter, you can all see right here that it did manage to pass many different exams. But with GPT-5, it's likely going to ace these exams completely, which definitely means that this kind of software is likely going to be used worldwide. I mean, imagine you're in a third world country, but you have access to one of the best lawyers on the planet just by downloading a simple app. And imagine with the new functions and modalities such as image and video, imagine just recording a video and asking GPT to identify exactly what the problem is and asking for an immediate solution. It could simply find the solution in your environment. And I can definitely imagine that everyone on the planet will be using this because if they aren't, they're going to be at a competitive disadvantage.